好，跟住落去到第17條咧，係有關於進行呢個眼科檢查嘅。今日做眼科檢查之前啦，咁我病人咧就要滴一個特別嘅眼藥水。咁題目就話啦，滴藥水就滴喺左眼啫，因為咧我哋淨係檢查左邊眼。30分鐘之後啦，你見到咧左眼嘅情況就係瞳孔係咪擴大咗啊？對比起右眼嚟講係咪？咁而家啦，成條題目嘅概念就係考翻我哋有關於瞳孔擴張嘅機制咯。咁題目就問啦，喺左眼嘅邊一個嘅結構咧係放鬆緊喎？咁自不然就係考緊我哋有關於瞳孔擴張嘅概念啦。咁所以呢個題目啦，其實都好直白噶啦。第一幅圖就係瞳孔擴張咗啦，當中牽涉嘅兩組肌肉就係虹膜嘅環狀肌肉要放鬆。之前咧喺瞳孔變大變細呢段片咧教過大家用環狀肌肉去理解咗先嘅，環狀肌肉就放鬆，同一時間啦放射肌肉咧就收縮。咁所以答案咧都唔使審啦，就係虹膜嘅環狀肌肉咯。咁啊去到下面呢個情況就係瞳孔收窄啦，係咪？咁啊下次佢先會問嘅。咁其他答案我哋都有啲體育精神搞掂埋佢啦。睫狀肌咧係攞嚟控制個晶體嘅厚薄嘅，咁就唔關嗰個瞳孔事嘅。咁所以就 A 嘅錯啦。跟住啦，去到瞳孔啦，瞳孔係唔識放鬆噶嘛，瞳孔咧一係就收窄，一係就擴張，但係瞳孔係個窿嚟嘅啫嘛，佢係透過個肌肉收縮啊、放鬆啊，而將佢放大放細嘅，所以 C 自己根本就唔識放鬆，係咪？跟住到 D 咧就係虹膜嘅放射肌肉，咁擺到明，啱啱頭先先講完佢係收縮啊嘛，咁所以 D 咧又錯埋啦。咁上年咧就考咗大家有關啲瞳孔反射同向光性嘅比較啦，咁今次咧就淨係考翻我哋嘅瞳孔啊放大放細啊，咁啊算係好直接噶啦，好好啊，我覺得幾佛心啊呢條題目。咁下次有咩題型變奏咧？就係啦，喂 check 眼之前要滴眼藥水擴大個瞳孔，咁我就想你解釋一下呢個瞳孔嘅大細嘅變化對個眼科檢查嚟講有咩重要性呢？今次呢，我就特登加多一樣嘢嘅，就係瞳孔大細嘅變化，即係喺呢個答案當中呢，你都要講一講個瞳孔大細嘅變化咗先，然後再講個重要性嚇，因為我冇話直接講啊嘛，pupil size 咧就增加咗啦，我冇講過喎。所以你話俾我聽咧，原來瞳孔嘅大細咧係增加咗嘅，咁我對個眼科檢查有咩重要性啊？Question 17 is about our eyes. So a special eye drop is applied to the patient's eyes before an eye examination. So the graph shows that the appearance of the left eye 30 minutes after applying the eye drops. So we apply the eye drop on the left eye only. So you can see that the pupil size become bigger compared with the right eye. So the question asks you that which of the following structure in the left eye is relaxing. So this question is checking us the concept about the mechanism of pupil dilation. So before I make a video about the controlling of pupil size, so you can watch the video and do revision. And then this question is very straightforward. So you can refer to this diagram. Pupil size increases, that means pupils dilate. And then you can find that pupil size is controlled by the two muscles in the iris. For the circular muscle, relax. At the same time, radial muscle contract. Therefore, the answer is B. Circular muscle of the iris is relaxing. And what about next time? Or ask you when somebody get into a dark room or go into the bright outside, bright environment. So for the other answer, so let's take a look at the other answer. Option A, ciliary muscle, is the muscle to control the lens thickness, but not the pupil size. Therefore, say goodbye. And then for option C, pupil itself is just a hole. It cannot control itself, right? So it's being controlled by the iris muscle. So C, also say goodbye. And then for D, radial muscle of the iris, hey, I just say that it's contracting during pupil dilation. Therefore, option D, also say goodbye. So last year, it just asked about the pupil reflex and the tropism comparison. And this time, just ask you about the pupil dilation. So it's a very kind question. So next time, any possible question variation, they ask you to explain the importance of the change of the pupil size for the eye examination. So you need to tell me that, what is the change? The change is that pupil size increased, become bigger, and then what is the benefit of doing this before reject the eye。